inside. Some interactive forces happening inside the shell only. It is break. The bullet with the shell was moving with a certain velocity. It had some momentum, right? It due to its own interactive forces inside it explodes and explodes into two fragments. One fragment is of 25 kg. Naturally, other fragment will be of 15 kg. The fragment of 25 kg stops, and the other one of mass 15 kg continues to move with a certain velocity. Then what is the velocity of the second fragment? That is the question we did. So this is about this question also done. Next, one more question. What I am going to tell you is just like it's the same question only. This is linear conservation of momentum. So note down this question also, please. Right. In this topic, at least 100 questions you have to do of variety of questions using impulse, using this linear conservation of momentum, right? Then using what you call a resolution of forces, friction. So many questions. Different type questions you have to do. Every question to do it is not possible because we are not having sufficient time. This is one more question I'm going to write. This is question number 8. Question 8. A bomb of mass. A bomb of mass 50 kg. 50 kg. Moving with the velocity. Moving with the velocity. 30 meters per second. 30 meters per second. Exploded into two fragments. One fragment comes to rest. One comes to rest, and the other continues, and the other continues to move, with the velocity of 60 meters per second. 60 meters per second. In the same direction. Find the mass of the fragment. Find the mass of the fragment. This is the question. There is a slight difference only in this question and last question. This question I wrote because for practicing only. You had to note this question. Here also same thing, same theory is used. Which theory? Conservation of linear momentum. Initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Initial momentum is equal to mu. That is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. But m1 v1 is equal to 0 because the first part stops. Right? Second part has a velocity m1 into m2 into v2. V2 is given here, and m2 can be calculated because the mass of the whole mass and velocity is known to you. This you will do as a homework, as a practice question. Next question is this. So this one, I think you can write it and you will do by yourself. It's a good thing at times. When I give you questions, you with interest, you will do it and you will get the answer. I will write the answer also. Answer is equal to 25 kg. You will get. Right? Okay. Answer is equal to 25 kg. Answer is equal to 25 kg. You will get. Very simple question. Another question I am writing here now is, that is this question. That is related to what do you call our rocket propulsion. That question. This is question number 8, and this is question number 10. Question number 9. Question 9. I'm right. If fuel is consumed, fuel is consumed at the rate of 100 kg per second. 100 kg per second in a rocket. The exhaust gas ejects the exhaust gas is ejected with a speed of 4.5 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. What is the thrust? What is the thrust? Thrust experienced. What is thrust experienced by the rocket? Thrust experienced by the rocket. So this is the question. Thrust direct formula you have. Thrust is equal to. Thrust is a force only. Thrust is equal to mass into acceleration already proved as del time by delta. Del time by delta T into U. U is the velocity of the ejected gas. This is the rate of loss of mass. Fuel is consumed at the rate of what? 100 kg per second. That means the loss of mass per second is equal to 100 kg per second. That is, this is equal to del time delta T is equal to 100 kg. That is equal to 100 into what is U? U means with a speed of 4.5 into 10 raised to 4 into 4.5 into 10 raised to 4. Direct question this is. Because you must know the formula for thrust acting on a rocket. Thrust acting on a rocket is equal to the rate of loss of mass into velocity of the ejected gas. Rate of loss of mass is del time by delta T into velocity of the ejected gas, that is equal to U. You will get this value. That is equal to 4.5 into 10 raised to 6 Newton you will write. So this question also you can note down. Right? Another question I am giving you as a homework for you, as a practice question I am giving you. Any questions I will do. The other class also I will do numericals only. Right? Because I will create interest in you in this matter, doing a numerical problem. So this also I am removing from the board. Right? This question I am writing here on the board. Right. That is written like this. This was a rocket fired from the Earth. Question 11. Question 11 or question 10? Sorry, question 10. A rocket fired from the Earth. From the Earth ejects 1% of its mass. Of its mass. 1% of its mass at a